The owners of a community fridge are asking for the public's help after someone stole it. Funky Town Fridge is a community initiative in Fort Worth with the goal of helping residents in food deserts who don't have access to fresh, healthy foods. The organization has a collection of refrigerators that are accessible 24/7 for anyone who needs it. The fridge in the Stop 6 neighborhood was stolen sometime Thursday night. This is personal for the group's founder, who is from this neighborhood.
I grew up here and it was like my love letter to Stop 6, and for somebody to just come and snatch it away from these people is really hurtful and disheartening.
Anyone with information about this at Funky Town Fridge is asked to contact police.